Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by locking down the network and the devices so the stream has priority. First, plug the host or client into Ethernet. Wired beats wireless for latency. Next, kill background apps and pause downloads on both ends so CPU and bandwidth are dedicated to remote play. Once done, put the host on high-performance power mode and confirm both machines run the latest system and network drivers. This reduces processing delays and avoids intermittent stalls during gameplay. You now tune the streaming pipeline to reduce latency while keeping acceptable image quality. Start by lowering resolution and bitrate. 720p with 510 Mbps often cuts delay without ruining visuals. Then adjust frame rate. Try 60 for smooth motion or 30 if latency improves. Make sure hardware encoding is enabled on the host and decoding on the client so the GPU handles compression, which is faster than CPU processing. Finally, test settings iteratively. You finish by prioritizing traffic and checking the network path to remove remaining lag. Configure router co-s to give the host highest priority and enable UPnP or forward the remote play port so connections avoid unnecessary relays. Reboot the router and both devices after changes to ensure settings apply. If you still see delay, run a traceroute and ping tests to find congested hops. If one ISP hop is slow, contact your provider. Remember, a restart plus co-s often fixes lingering issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.